Hello everyone, I'm back and it's Monday, maulan, medyo malamig, but hindi super lamig na like the winter season talaga, but malamig. So, today nag-shopping ako dahil wala lang, nag-shopping lang ako. So, I buy this one. This is Manuka Honey Skin Conditioning and this is a body gel. So, bumili ako everyone dahil I believe that honey ay nagpapaganda sa skin. Okay? So, kaya bumili ako nito. And then, nang dahil me and daddy were going to Saipan for a holiday vacation, so bumili din ako ng aloe vera gel dahil for sunscreen protections. After tayo mag-sunbath, we need to apply aloe vera gel everyone, no, para hindi tayo parang may mga kaliskis na lumalabas. And then of course ayoko kasing umitim sobra dahil nigrahon ko, so I buy a UV Protect Spray SPF 50 for hair and body. So I buy this one, and of course kailangan natin ng beauty pa rin tayo, and the same time na pag naligo tayo naka beauty pa rin tayo. So it not means na maliligo ka, naka makeup ka, but ako kasi everyone, I love to wear makeup, every foundation, applying foundation everywhere, anywhere. And I found this UV Moisture Big Sun Cushions, this one, and this is Advanced 365 Daily UV Protection for all around use, face and body, SPF 50 PA+++++++. Okay, so I need this one. So ito gagamitin ko for my face lang kasi hindi naman ako nag-apply sa body ko. So for my face lang, and it's 365 daily, no? Talagang I amaze this product, but hindi ko pa siya nagamit. So tingnan natin kung pag nagamitan. And then yung anak ko kasi nakatikim ako ng ganito, so masarap siya, so bumili din ako ng akin dahil nainggit nga ako dahil mayroon silang mga mamahaling mga chips. So inggitera ako, so bumili din ako ng akin, no? And this is a Hunter's Gourmet Truffle Collections Black Truffle. So basta ganyan yan siya everyone. So this one, I buy this one. And then dumaan ako sa Seria Hacking Shop at ito ang nabili ko. So nilagay ko siya dito lahat kasi wala lang, parang gusto kong magpalit ng kulay and design. Actually kaano ko lang, but parang feel ko lang. And then bumili ako nito dahil gusto kong maglagay ng sarili kong false lashes, chung ganun. So by myself. And then bumili ako this very long nail chips, as you can see, very long. So try natin yan. And I buy this design, as you can see, it's so cute. There's a river, it's like a salmon. And also this one, Sakura design. Look at this one, ang cute. Di ba? Ang cute niya. Also this one, the stone. So bumili ako niyan. And then bumili ako ng clay gel clear. And bumili ako this color, this fairy dust purple color. This color. So I buy that one. And also I buy this clear icing gel. So this is all about what I buy today, no? Nung nakaraan bumili ako ng hand itong mga ginamit ko kasi siya kagabi, binabad ko ng yung kamay ko. And this is, I buy this at Daiso. And also this feet silicone na pag gusto mong i-moisturize yung kamay mo at yung paa mo. And then this one, and we have this on Daiso, it's only 200 yen. So yeah, and this is all about IPP Hinako is in my back. Bye everyone. Thank you so much and kisses. Maulan today. Malamig din daw bukas. Okay? Wala lang. Pakita ko lang ang aking phone casing. This is my phone casing everyone. And you can see there is a misread. This is the one of my creations, my design. Okay? I am a designer. Okay? Bye.